morning.
Good morning, Hyderabad. Good morning, ONPASSIVE. My name is Mufareh, and I'm your friend. What an incredible moment in life. And who said hard work doesn't pay off? It does pay off. Congratulations to everyone involved in ONPASSIVE. In fact, congratulations to all communities across the globe, and congratulations to human race. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. If you can imagine anything or anything you can imagine, it's a reality if you take enough action. I want to welcome all of you here. We are so delighted to have you in our building in Hyderabad. We have special guests and incredible heroes from Dubai, from other places in India. We have honored guests and from the press and media, and of course our heroes, ONPASSIVians, and everyone who has been working tirelessly around the clock to make this moment happen. Thank you, thank you, thank you. In fact, we cannot thank you enough. And I can tell you what, we did it. We did it, we did it, we did it. Yes, indeed. So I believe ONPASSIVE is a labor of love. Long time ago, I saw technology was a powerful tool that can enhance our life, every aspect of our life. But when I looked at the internet space back then, I found a chaos. I realized there's a lot of monopoly, corruption, data invasion, privacy, manipulation, all imaginable abusive behavior as we know it. I thought it would be incredible if everything works together in tandem and if everything works to the advantage of the users. So I said, it doesn't look like they have the user in their best interest. It looks like they had all those tech giants. They had their pocket is their primary interest. I understand they have to make profit, but there is enough success for all of us. And I recognize that going to the top is far more fulfilling when you take others with you, because there's a room for all of us at the top. And I believe there's enough wealth and success and prosperity for all of us, especially if we work together. It's possible. So I said enough is enough. If I'm going to continue watching this, it's just going to tease me and it's going to be irritating. I thought I have to take action. And I said, I'm going to go to work. I'm going to make a difference. I'm going to change this. It would be amazing if everything works flawlessly from one place and we get rid of the over budgeting. We get rid of the over tech load and tech overload and all of those barriers. The time consuming, shifting between platforms and all of that. And of course, it's costly and it's definitely a complex process. I believe the genius is to turn something complicated, turn it into simple. I said it would be incredible, brilliant, if we can simplify this digital space, make it simple for all generations, so we can bridge the gap between generations, between economical situation and status, between the educational level, and of course between languages and countries and nations. And we thought we are far more educated and knowledgeable as human beings if we come together. And we made a decision to start our IT hub in Hyderabad. Obviously, India is an incredible human resources, I would say, treasure for the IT and AI sector. And boy, they did not disappoint us. They did it, and we will continue creating technology as we go. This is just the start of a new era, a new journey. I thought it would be incredible if we equalize all of this digital space, and we said we knew it's going to be hard, but we're not afraid of hard work. We have been working around the clock, different time zones, as you may know, but we believe that ONPASSIVE now is a beacon of hope and is indeed situated to uplift humanity in every aspect of life. Why? Because it's AI with heart. It's made out of love totally, and we're not endorsing any of the negative greed or monopoly or abusive behaviors and actors. ONPASSIVE is honest with the ultimate integrity, and with the ultimate transparency. We believe that we will provide a tremendous amount of value for our users all across the globe. We will leave a massive impact, and I believe you're just about to witness that historically. So we're very delighted that you're the first to see the little reveal today. Little by little, we're going to unveil that curtain. As of now, we have just launched our ecosystem. ONPASSIVE ecosystem is open and live now with the World Cup tournament now. And of course, there are more marketing campaigns are ready to be deployed. We will continue adding more products and services and tools to the ecosystem. And as of now, we have a game changer. OMail is a great start. We also have ONET, and perhaps we have a very unique platform for the founding members, the pioneers of ONPASSIVE.
Can I pause you for a second and we reveal the curtain from these three products you've just announced? So I would like now to ask Engineer Mohammed Kamal, he is the Chief Operating Officer for ONPASSIVE, to reveal the curtain from these products, and then I'll let you complete, Mr. Ash, in a second.
Thank you.
Fantastic. That is beautiful. Congratulations. Congratulations. We decided to do it or die. That's our slogan. And we are here and we delivered. We are so thrilled and excited about this new era of ONPASSIVE. I concretely believe it will make an impact in our global community in every aspect. It will make it more fair. It will make it more accessible, more affordable, and we all can achieve more when we work together. ONPASSIVE is a tremendous, incredible advanced AI technology with the latest tools, and everything is made from scratch right there in India. Everything is organically developed by the minds and hands of our brilliant staff. I believe AI with ONPASSIVE, in fact, it's about to dominate the internet. It is the future of the internet, and I believe we are so proud to share with you new way of practicing the digital life. And of course, I do believe this is the internet and this is the new era of AI and IT at its best. So welcome to you, and I hope you are going to enjoy our developments, and we look forward to seeing you at the top right there with us.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ash. It's been an honor to actually see the founder who's always said we're in it to win it, and now we're the future of internet. Again, put your hands together to Engineer Mohammed Kamal to bless us with some few words upon the announcements.
Good morning, everyone, and assalamu alaikum, everyone. Thank you for coming to us today in our launching our product from our technical hub Hyderabad office. And congratulations to all our ONPASSIVians and all our partners for the new era and the paradigm shift for the new digital world with ONPASSIVE. As ONPASSIVE and the always said by our visionary and our CEO, Mr. Ash, be ready for the best shape in your life with ONPASSIVE, as we are going to reshape the planet physically, inshallah. ONPASSIVE is not a company. ONPASSIVE is not just AI or IT. ONPASSIVE is alive. ONPASSIVE is complete solutions for whatever you are searching in your life. And the first thing attract me personally to ONPASSIVE when I look to my daughter and I want to make her something unique in her future, as ONPASSIVE will be her own company, as this is the spirit we are dealing in ONPASSIVE everywhere, Hyderabad, Dubai, Singapore, and everywhere it's coming, and of course in US, our mother company is there, and more will come. So guys, thank you very much. I don't want to take long time, but stay tuned. You will see ONPASSIVE in everywhere in the world, and very soon you will see it something you never imagined about it. Thank you very much, and congratulations for all.